Hello everybody. In this video, we are going to look at how to find the number of digits present in an integer. We are not going to use string functions. We are purely going to use the logics that we can apply on an integer number to find this result. So first initially, we will just ask the user to enter a number. So integer number. Usually positive, that's what we are guessing. We are not checking about all those things, whether it is positive or is decimal or not. We just get an integer, very big integer, and just we are trying to put our logic in. So input is a function which is used to get, but input will get the data in string format. So we are typecasting into integer and we are storing it in a variable called num. For example, we are giving a number 758. This is a 3-digit number we are giving. So we are expecting the answer 3. So we will be having a counter. CNT counter is initialized to 0. At the end, the counter will be having the result. In this case, it should be 3-digit number, 758. It's a single number. It's an integer. Don't consider it as a string. So how to get the count of the digits? So we will be cutting the digits one by one. How to cut the digits? That's what we have to see. So I just want to remove the numbers from the right side. First 8 should be cut out. Then I got 75. Then 5 will be cut out from the 75. Then 7. Then 7 will be cut out from the 7. So remaining will be 0. This is how we are going to go. Whenever we cut it, we are going to increment a number. When we cut 8 out, we are going to increment the counter. So how will you cut a number? That means if 758 should become 75, that means I want to cut 8 out. So it is actually num equal to num /10. It will return the quotient. So 758 will become 75. I cut out 8. Once you cut out 8, you have to increment the counter for 8. So CNT equal to CNT plus 1. We are incrementing the counter. Now number is 75. The same logic should be done. 75 will be divided by 10 and the quotient should be coming. We are cutting out 5 from 75. So once 5 is cut out, so num will become 7. So counter is incremented by 1 because we are cutting 5 from 75. So now the number is 7. Again we have to perform the same operation. 7 is divided by 10, the quotient is 0. So since we are cutting 7 from 7, we are incrementing the counter. So the number is 0 now, we should not go further. When the number becomes 0, we should go on proceeding. Okay, that's the idea. So we have to place it like this. So while quotient, or in this case we just use the direct number itself. When num is not equal to 0, we can do this operation, these two operations. So this is the body of the loop, and when the number becomes equal to 0, it will come out. So that's it. That's the logic. Once we come out, we can just print number of digits equal to, we just print CNT. Let us execute and see. 758 is the number I am entering. Number of digit equal to 3. So if you see a very big number figure, the number of digit is equal to 10 for this one. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10 digit number. But we are losing the number. Once we got the number and it's stored in num, finally the number is gone. We don't have a backup. So if you want to keep a backup, I can just say BP is for backup. BP equal to num you can have. So number of digits. Okay. You can say present present in, we can say BP, comma, and then Yes, I can put count. So just it gives a good sort of printing. I'm just giving a number like this. Number of digits present in 343454 is 6. So this way we can perform. Thanks for listening.